G'day Thrivers, Jess here. Today I've got a super quick tutorial for you showing you how to connect your Instagram account and your Pinterest account so you can auto post anything you put on Instagram to your Pinterest account without having to do anything. So that's 2 marketing platforms for the price of 1. Let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to log in on your browser to the correct Instagram account, the account that you want to link to your Pinterest account. I don't know about you, but I have multiple Instagram accounts, and if you're logged into the wrong one, that's the one you're going to link to Pinterest. So make sure you're logged into the business account here that you want to link to Pinterest. Now, before you're able to do this, by the way, you do have to have a Pinterest business account. So if you don't already have yourself set up with a Pinterest business account, you're going to need to do that before you can claim your Instagram. So once you're logged into the correct Instagram account, you want to come over here to your profile on Pinterest, where you see all of the pins that you've created and all of the boards that you have saved here on your account. And then you're going to click up to the little arrow here and go down to claim external accounts. Now there's a number of accounts you can claim here. If you have a Shopify or your own standalone website, I strongly recommend you claim and link your shops here. But today we're going to focus on Instagram. So all you need to do is click this button where it says claim. It's going to bring up this pop-up and it's going to ask you if you want to link the 2 together. You can see I've previously connected them, and I just unclaimed it so I could reclaim it for this video. So just click on allow to let that happen and let the 2 pieces of software communicate with each other. So okay, congrats, your Pinterest account is connected. Literally, that was real time. It's so fast. Your Pinterest account is connected to a FREEBIES. Now they say we created a new board for your Instagram post called social. I don't use that. I'll show you in just a sec how to choose the board you want. What you do want to have enabled is this one where it says also publish posts from the last 90 days, because when you do that, it's going to draw in all of your Instagram posts for the last 90 days to your Pinterest account and get them out there on the platform as pins. So click done. And then you're going to choose the board that you want to put this on. So just click on that, and I'm going to go find my ethereal board. That's my business, ethereal.com jewelry, and update. Now before I do that, just to show you this bit, I strongly recommend you leave this untagged, because this is the whole point of doing this, is that now with this turned off, so when we don't want to disable auto publishing, we want auto publishing, right? Because that is what's going to mean that every single time you post something on Instagram, it's going to automatically come through to your Pinterest account. So I've got the right board, I've left that unchecked, and I'm going to click update. And that's really all you have to do. So from now on, everything you put on Instagram is going to come through and be an automatic Pinterest pin, your reels, your posts, your carousels, everything. So let's have a look at what this looks like. I'll go back to my profile here. Now, all of these across the top, these have all come directly from my Instagram. I haven't put these in manually. Let's see what else we can find down here. This video here is definitely from my reels on Instagram, and you can see here it has the link to Instagram. Okay, so if I wanted to, I could come in and edit this pin and I could add some more information to it, but I'm all about keeping things simple here. Let's just one step at a time. So just getting this on here means that when somebody clicks on the pin, they're going to be taken through to your Instagram account, where they can hopefully then find out more about your website very easily and maybe investigate this jewelry and see if they want to buy it, for example. And it really is as simple as that. Now, if you want more Pinterest help, you might want to check out this video where I give you 8 strategies to skyrocket your pins and your business via using Pinterest this year. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, so you will get my new videos on how to run a thriving and profitable handmade business. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.